Here are some easy to learn car slam effects that won't take more than a minute to learn. Freeze the frame where you want to make the car slam effect. And add a keyframe at the end of the clip. Add another one at the start of the clip. And make the image smaller. Now add one right in the middle and make the image bigger than 100%. Now the main part, remove the background. For it to look smooth and clean, right-click the middle keyframe and set it to ease out. If the clip looks slow or boring, move the keyframes closer together like this. You're not done yet. Now go to Effects and search for Shake. Tweak it until it looks perfect. And you're done. Once again, freeze the frame where you want the car slam effect. Add a keyframe at the end. And don't forget to remove the background. Now add a keyframe at the start of the image. Make it small, and drag it up and out of the frame. Add another keyframe a couple of frames forward and pull it down. Then once again, right-click it and set it to ease out. Add another keyframe a couple of frames before the last one and drag it a little more down. This will make it look smooth and clean. Tweak it until it looks perfect. That shake effect again, and it will look perfect. And you're done. This also WOKRS on mobile. Thanks you so much for WATCHINGGG. Subscribe.